Greetings to all my dedicated students. Today, I, Dr. Shamik Majumdar, bring you an insightful hospital video from the Omkar Medicom library exclusively for those who are truly committed towards studies and aspire to become the finest doctors of the world.
Omkar Medicom, #1 here now.
We can see the view inside the first affiliated teaching government hospital in China. Our Indian students generally visit the first affiliated teaching hospital for their clinical practice. The teacher is seen briefing the student about the patients they will be observing today and their medical history and lab reports. The students are keenly observing the medical procedures shown in the video. The teacher is showing few videos of the medical instruments which will be used today and the surgery procedures. The teachers are the super specialized doctors and they show their surgery videos before the real surgery for better understanding.
Calling all education agents. Join us and help students fulfill their dreams of studying medical in China. Earn big while making a difference. Contact us today. Let's grow together.
This is a gynecology class. And the teacher is teaching the procedures of normal delivery and cesarean section. China is a very developed nation with a world-class most advanced medical facility with most advanced medical machines and technique. We can get to see our 4th-year Indian student is observing the cesarean section. Everything is highly advanced and modernized inside this OT. We can see the newborn is given supportive treatment. With the help of this high quality clinical exposure, most Indian students studying in the government medical universities in China can easily crack USMLE exams and UK PLAB exams. The in-hand real-time clinical exposure in the government hospitals in China enhances the clinical knowledge and the clinical skills of the student, which is very important for clearing the USMLE and UK PLAB Step 2 CSCK like clinical skill and clinical knowledge exams.
Smiling students, brighter futures. MBBS in China offers the perfect blend of quality education, comfort, and affordability.
The teachers, who are specialized doctors, are very friendly. The screen had been shown blur to prevent the privacy of the patient as per the medical ethics. The anesthesiologist previously was guiding our student to calculate the dosage of the anesthetic drug to be used depending on the weight of the patient and the surgery type. The surgeon teacher is explaining every step of the surgery. This kind of clinical knowledge boosts the students to become the best doctors in the world in the upcoming future.
Study medical in China and join thousands of happy students. Low fees, global recognition, and support throughout your journey.
Presently, we have students from United States, Canada, New Zealand, Fiji, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Thailand, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi, Dubai, Qatar, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Nigeria, Somalia, Kenya, Ghana, Tanzania, Jamaica, and 37 other countries all over the world.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We upload new videos of different universities every week. See you in our next video.